The SFIO, and we understand, is going to seek an explanation from all 31 banks that have exposure to the Gitanjali group. Vijay Iyer has all of the details. Vijay?
Avan, as you're rightly pointing out, indeed SFIO has issued a summons to 31 banks who have exposure to Gitanjali as a group, and of course Gitanjali Gems, the listed entity. This 31 bank consortium is led by ICICI Bank. And on the expected line, the summon, of course, have been sent to the top management. That is where the names of our top MD and CEOs of private bank, including Chanda Kochar, Shikha Sharma, so on and so forth, have been coming. So SFIO basically wants to seek all the details of the loans and the exposure that banks have to with the Gitanjali group, on what terms were the loans given at various point of time, because we all know now, in all probability, the money recovery is going to be a challenge with Gitanjali Gems, Mehul Choksi's all assets, movable and immovable, being freezed by CBI and the enforcement directorate. So clearly this type of huge exposure is going to be an issue. So that is where the procedural aspects will be checked. Explanations will be sought from all the 31 banks on at what point of time how much was given and what was the rationale for giving these loans to Gitanjali group as a whole at various point of time. So in the coming days and week, we could also see the banks giving their explanation from their top management on the exposures. But also, although ICICI is the lead consortium banker, ICICI Bank has an exposure of close to 700 to 800 crore rupees. PNB has got the maximum exposure of around 900 to 1200 crore rupees of this 5,000 crores that we are talking, the exposure to Gitanjali Gems, the listed entity. So indeed, it's going to be a tough ask for the all banking management of these 31 banks to answer all the queries being put forth by SFIO. So on the expected lines, SFIO has issued the summons to all the 31 banks, including ICICI Bank and Axis Bank.
Vijay, thanks a lot for giving us that quick update on Punjab National Bank's fraud.